Okay, so today we're going to do a demonstration of cleaning hearing aids. So I have gloves, I have some paper towel down, I have Q-tips, alcohol, and I just have a pad here so I can dry things with, but you can use a paper towel or anything like that. So we're going to take the box that it came in, and then the hearing aid, we're going to hold it by the big piece. When people are not wearing their hearing aids, they're required to leave this open to save the battery. Some people leave it closed if they want to change the battery often, but this little brush that comes with it has a magnet on the end, so you can take it out and put it in fairly easily. Okay, so you have you want to hold on to this big part here fairly, you want to kind of hold it firm, and you're going to take off the little rubber piece. Put this down. I'm going to spray some alcohol on the end of my Q-tip. Holding the hearing aid by the bigger piece, I'm going to clean this off, this little square bit here. There's a little piece that goes behind their ear. We're going to clean that. We're going to use the magnet and brush end, and we're going to clean out any debris. There's a little hole there, and we're going to clean out any debris in that. You can brush anything off that looks waxy. Put that down. Put this down, let that dry. I'm going to spray another end. Oops. With this, I'm going to take this rubber piece and I am going to clean it really good, inside and out. I'm going to take the black little brush here and I'm going to clean that out. There is a little hole here that you can kind of push the debris through, but you don't want to push this all the way through it. You can take any of that, clean it up. I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to take another Q-tip. I'm going to clean out on the sides. I'm going to clean the little battery holder here. I'm not going to stick it in there because those were little mechanisms we don't want to touch. And while that's drying, you can clean out the case. Now I just use these little pads. You can use a paper towel. I can't talk and work at the same time apparently. So you're gonna just want to polish it up, and then we're gonna open it. It's all nice and dry. We're gonna put this little cloth back in that the client had in there. I'm gonna take the hearing aid. I'm gonna put the rubber piece back on, very gently holding on to the square part, not the wires. Put that back on so that's secure. I'm going to put the battery back in. Oops, I want to get the battery on the back. So the bubble side of the battery goes in. The flat side is on top. So I'm going to close it and show you. Oops, is that correct? Okay. When you're opening the hearing aid, you're going to open it from right here. You're going to open it. There should be the battery, the flat side is on top, and the bubble side is on the bottom. And because this client isn't using it, we're going to leave it open. I'm going to place it in its case. I'm going to put this back in. You want to keep these hearing aids maintenance on a regular basis, every other day. I know sometimes the batteries may last 2 to 3 days, so you want to make sure always that the batteries are working, as well as when a dementia client can't hear, maybe because they've lost a hearing aid or the hearing aid is broken, it's very important to get them changed fairly quickly so that the person is able to use them again. They decline quickly when they can no longer hear. So you want to make sure these are really working. And if you're having to yell at your client or talk really loud, you know their batteries aren't working. If they're constantly going, huh? You know the batteries need to be changed. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.